top of the good morning to you, everybody. How are you today? So, today we're just gonna do a quick get ready with me. I've got to go out and get some storage containers to help fix this room because I have moved from one room, from my other makeup room to this room, which was the man cave. I feel like I've moved house. I didn't realise how much gear I have. So get some more storage containers, shelves or whatever. And then my other room will become my walk-in room. So I'm pretty excited. Anyway, let's do it. Let's talk more action. Put my little ears on. So I'm literally gonna mix and match. So I've got my moisturiser on. Okay, so I'm gonna come in with the Maybelline Face Studio Prime. It's a hydrating primer, so will never go astray on my face because I'm generally dry except around the T-zone. Alrighty. So Covergirl Skin Milk Fair Light, clean fresh. Coming in on the back of my hand. It's quite a runny consistency. Bring it up onto the face. Oh, I've got to move. I've got to make this quick. This is not full on glam look. This is just it's not very full coverage, this foundation, which is okay. We don't need it to be. So it's just the light, fresh coverage, just takes that bit of rosacea away from the face. Going to come in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I might need to put the fan on. It is getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. Don't take off all your clothes. We don't want that, Charity. Righto. Tarte Shape Tape in the colour light medium honey. Tarte Shape Tape. Alright, let's do this. Come in with a little bit of, so I'm basically not trying to duplicate a product here. I'll try and brush this up. So this is W7 Ready Set Glow. It's actually gorgeous. You can see the gold in there. So I'm just gonna spray that, give it a little bit of a more hydration. I'm just gonna duck off and turn the fan on because it is getting very warm. Okay, fan's on. Grabbed my watch. It's actually 10 past 11. It's later than I thought it was. Alright, so primer's on, foundation's on, concealer's on. We're on a roll. Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder. I'm going to quickly set the face. Okay, powder's on. L'Oreal Paris Bronze, please. La Terra. So that I don't double up on any products. Just coming in here with a Nude by Nature brush, and I'm going to quickly put some bronzer. Just to give the skin a little bit of, well, as it says, bronzing, bit of colour. And quick, hey, my goodness, I'm on a roll. Alright, blush. Elf. I love this kit actually. Look at that. How gorge. Let's just do this one. Why not? Hey? But I'm going to tap it off because it is highly pigmented. Beautiful colour. wouldn't happen to be that it's pink or anything like that, you know. Yes, even in a hurry, I can put blush anywhere. It's going to come back in with that powder brush, the Flower Beauty brush, and just blend it out just a titch. I don't know why I'm hurrying. I'm just trying to do a quick tutorial because I talk a lot. Alright, highlighter. Haven't had this one or used this one for a while. I love it. It's the Kate Rimmel highlighter. I absolutely love this palette. I'm just going to grab one of my Nude by Nature. So coming in with the middle one. It's such a pretty highlighter because it's not chunky and it doesn't show texture. See that? It's all pretty. Down the center. Cupid's bow. Oh, this is going to be a record for me. A record. Alright, next. Don't think, Sherry, don't think. Coming in with Australis palette, the Beach Days, considering we live on the beach. Alright, I'm going to come in with this colour here. I'm just going to quickly use this as a transition colour. So this is just an everyday, get ready with me. Alright, now we're going to come in with this bottom blue. And again, while I've got that colour, I'm just going to come in underneath. It's very pretty, very beachy, hey? Very beachy look. Something different. I bought this lip timber in the colour called Fluoro Blue. So I'm just going to use that same brush, but I'm going to come in and dab it on the lipstick. And yes, I'm about to put that on my eyelid. It's such a pretty colour. And it's a real sky blue kind of colour, so absolutely gorgeous. So I am just stamping that all over the lid from the outer corner. I'm not going above the eye crease though. I just wanted that other blue to pop through. Wow, how cute. Alright. Alrighty, so now I am going to coat my wonderful Royal Angel lashes. Alright, while they set, let's pick a lippy. So the eyes are pretty out there. When in a hurry, I just do it with my hands really quickly. They're insane, aren't they? I love them. Absolutely love them. Voila! Lipstick, and we're done. Oh, I did say I was going to double up on anything, so I'll go Revlon, which will keep it quite neutral. Yeah, so it's the Revlon Ultra D Lip Vinyl Polish, Tout Natural. Voila! don't really know how much quicker that was and all, but quick spray. Has little gold flecks in it, it's beautiful. Alright guys, I think that looks pretty nice. Looking very hydrating. Pretty. Not too much, I don't think, I don't know. My too much may not be not your too much, but there you go. Alrighty. Got to get out to the store. Thank you as always for tuning in, because you're all absolute legends. Please take care of you, and I will catch you again soon. Mwah!